What's happening, everyone? We got a special treat today. I just got in the new Victoinox Swiss Army Knife Collector Society 2024 knife. So, you remember the group? I guess there is a Facebook group now, but there's also email list and everything. They put out a newsletter a few times a year. I'll include a link to how to join. But yeah, they also do a special knife every year. So this is this year's knife. It's revealed in the newsletter and we were able to order it. So we got knife. And of course my heat came on too. So got a sweet sleeve here. So 25th anniversary of the Vsakcs and 25th anniversary jar 2024. There's also a little something in here. Let's open that up first. See what we got. It's got a overhand knot here. Try to blend videos around my heater gumming on and off, but hopefully the noise canceling on the mic picks it up, or doesn't pick it up. And so this is a collector coin, so 246 of 400. So it's on the back, 25th anniversary. All right, and so and before we do that, it also comes with a certificate. So obviously, I have number 246, so let's take a look at this certificate. So, this is Contra, your proud owner, Swiss Army Knife Collector Society 25th anniversary. So, cyber scientist. So, this knife was designed by Jason Dillman, the Vsakcs president, and also Carl Elsner. So, manufactured in 2024 and released in the fall season. So only 400 pieces. So, and there we go. All right, nothing on the back. So Jason Dillman, director, not president, club president. So there we go. So let's take a look at it. So also, if you end up picking up knife, Vsakcs Club knife secondhand, try and get the certificate with it, so makes it more complete. So inside here, Victoinox Swiss Army Knife Collector Society. Got the foam. Let's see, we got all the Cyber Tool User's Guide, and so this has wooden scales etched. 25th anniversary. Got the golden corkscrew and a mini driver. So obviously with the wooden scales you don't normally get the side tools. You also have golden keyring, which is kind of cool looking as well. So got blade. It's etched 2024. Oh, nothing else. All right. Combo tool. And that was not the way to open that tool up, or that bit driver up, apparently, because that dug into my nail. But we got the Cyber Tool bit, you got the driver, you got the extra bits. If you haven't used the Cyber Tool, each one has 2 ends. Got they're mini bits, so if you have other mini bits, then you're able to use those in there, but these actually have a ball detent, so it locks in. Other mini bits won't. And close that guy up, and then we have the Phillips and a magnifying glass, making it a Scientist, one of my favorite models in general. Now added with the added bit driver, which is pretty awesome. And I like how they added the extra liner there so that the Phillips clears. Always a challenge when building custom Scientists. anymore. So yeah, this is the new cyber scientist. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. And like I said, if you're not a member of the group, I'll include a link to how to join. That way you too can become a member and get in on exclusive knives and deals. Well, not really deals, but cool stories. Jason actually went and met with Carl Elsner and helped design the knife in person. Also took along one of the customs I made. So that was even more exciting for me, is that my custom got into the hands of Carl, or Charles Elsner. I don't know why no, it is Carl. Charles was the great-grandfather. Carl got in the hand of Carl, and so that's awesome. So yeah, this is this year's knife, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, sign up for the group. Always awesome things. In the past they had the textured scales. They've had Victoinox Spartan tinker with, Spartan with the wrench on it. So this is another great addition to the group knives. So, and I look forward to seeing what they come out with next year. So have a great day, and hope you enjoy.